presenting the 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4WD, smooth ride suspension package, 6 speakers, radio data system, weather band radio, air conditioning, manual dual zone air conditioning, rear window defroster, power driver seat and power steering. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.